Hello YouTube! And like always, it is great to see you on the other side of the screen. Like many of you, I bought the Burger Fan set number 60404. But like often, there are minor details that disturbs me. Then don't complain and think, hey, it's Lego. You can change and modify the set to your own ideas. What I don't like at this little cute set are the gaps above the door and the gap beneath the hamburger sign. And it's so dark inside. And the grill plate, well, that is too simple. So it is Zabadacking time. Well, it's already ready. I placed some minor modifications and simple modification. You can do it by yourself. I modified a little the grill plate, placed windows, they can even open. And so as you can see, there's now a lot more internal daylight. I like it. Did I do also something with the truck? Yeah, also minor modifications. I placed extra headlights. Here this tile with stripes, the grill piece. And I replaced the steering wheel to the left side instead of the middle. Because I am a European. Now we really can see who is selling us the really tasty hamburgers. Even the hamburgers taste now better. Of course, I'll hope you like what I did. And if you do, please smash that like button. Or much better, consider subscribing to my channel. It will be appreciated. Of course, I wanna thank you for watching this video. And maybe I will see you the next time. Bye-bye!